In this video, we see about the acidity, stomach pain or gas burn. Stomach or gas burns are common discomforts that many individuals experience at some point in their lives. These sensations can vary in intensity and are often linked to digestive issues or lifestyle factors. The sensation of a gas or stomach burn typically manifests as a burning, sharp pain in the upper abdomen, which may also radiate up to the chest or throat. While occasional episodes may not be a cause for concern, recurring instances can signal underlying health issues such as acid reflux, gastritis, or other gastrointestinal disorders. Gas burns, in particular, are frequently associated with indigestion or the accumulation of gas in the digestive tract. When the body struggles to break down food properly or there is an imbalance in stomach acid production in the upper abdomen. Poor dietary habits, such as consuming large meals, eating spicy or fatty foods, or drinking carbonated beverages, can exacerbate these symptoms. A more severe form of stomach burn is often linked to acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, where stomach acids flow back into the esophagus, causing a painful burning sensation commonly referred to as heartburn. This occurs when the lower esophageal sphincter, the muscle that separates the stomach from the esophagus, becomes weakened or relaxed, allowing stomach acid to rise up. This condition can lead to chronic discomfort and, if left untreated, can cause long-term damage to the esophageal lining. Gastritis, an inflammation of the stomach lining, can also result in burning sensations in the stomach. This condition is often triggered by excessive alcohol consumption, prolonged use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, or infection with the bacterium Helicobacter pylori. Gastritis can lead to a more persistent burning sensation and may require medical treatment to alleviate the symptoms and address the underlying cause. Lifestyle changes are often key to managing and preventing stomach or gas burns. Eating smaller, more frequent meals, avoiding trigger foods, and incorporating stress-relieving practices can significantly reduce the frequency and intensity of symptoms. If symptoms persist, it is important to seek medical attention to determine the root cause and receive appropriate treatment.